Welcome to FinkyAgents onboarding. In this video, we will connect Azure Tenant to FinkyAgents. Once you are on the step 2 of the onboarding process, click Setup Azure. Here we need to provide tenant ID. So let's go to our tenant. Let's copy tenant ID. And right now, let's follow the steps. Step 1, we need to grant access to Azure Tenant. To do that, we just click Grant Access. We are redirected to Microsoft login page. We log in. Then we will have the information about the FinkyAgents application, which we need to invite to our tenant. Once we verify it, we click Accept. Once this is done, we are redirected back to FinkyAgents application, and we can do the step 2, which is assign read permissions to Azure subscription, which we want to connect to FinkyAgents. We recommend to start with read permissions to get the basic functionality, and later you can adjust it to your needs. So let's go back to Azure portal. Let's go to subscriptions. I will show you how to do it on the demo subscription. We go to access control. We click add role assignment. We pick up the read permissions. Next. Then we select the FinkyAgents application. And we can review and assign permissions. Once this is done, we can go back to the FinkyAgents application. It usually assigning permissions quick, but it might take 5 to 15 minutes. After we assign the read permissions, we can verify connection. Thank you.